So, this vehicle came to us 2010 Mitsubishi, Outlander Sport. It had a no crank, no start issue. So what used to happen is that when you switch on the ignition, so you put the key in, you switch on the ignition, what used to happen is that you're going to see all the lights here, but it's going to say the engine was overheating, all the gauges were up, fuel as well as temperature. And when you switch off the vehicle and you take the key out, the ignition stayed on, the locks were cycling, nothing was going on. Now when the ignition was on, and you try to scan the vehicle, you can't communicate with no modules in the system, right? So you couldn't communicate with the vehicle. After diagnosing the vehicle, realized that the problem was the Etacts. The Etacts system lives behind this panel here, right? So we had to do some work on the Etacts. So let me show you what we did. All right, so what we have here is an Etacts system for Mitsubishi. All right, the Etacts is part of the CAN network. Well, this one here is bad, this IC is bad, so we're replacing this IC here, right? Okay, replacing it, and we're putting this one in its place. All right, so I already removed it, so I'll show you the progress when I'm complete. The progress so far, we have most of the pins soldered, and we're just getting the rest situated and make sure they're properly secured to the board. So now after we did the work on the Etacts, let's see what we have. So the vehicle is running. All right. All we have now is just TPS and maintenance. Right. But other than that, we have no issues with the vehicle.